Are you a business owner? Do you have a business or a business idea? Do you know you can apply for a $1,000 grant? If this strikes like something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys step by step how to apply for these grants, the eligibility criteria, and everything that you need to know. So if you're new to this channel, go ahead and introduce yourselves. Just so you know, this is free money that you're not paying back. Each time I mention grants right on this channel, I'm talking about free money that you are not paying back. This is a $1,000 grant. Every country can apply. So whether you're in Ghana, Nigeria, Botswana, South Africa, United States, Canada, UK, everywhere in the world, you can apply for this free money $1,000 grant. You guys already know by now that I'm your grants queen. So go ahead and introduce yourselves if you're new to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and your incredible support. And to all of my Patreon members, you guys are the best. Thank you for all that you do. Like, you guys keep dazing me every single day. God bless you. If you want to be part of my Patreon community, go ahead and find the link in the description as well as in the comments. When you join my Patreon membership, do you know that you can book a free consultation with me? Yes, you have full access to me. We can discuss all things money, business, grants, and everything in between. Yes, I'm your girl, your host. I've always got you guys covered, and you have me. You have access to me 24/7. So while you're introducing yourselves as my first timers on this channel, let me also go ahead and introduce myself as well. You think I'll forget? Introduce yourself if this is your first time of tuning into this channel. So my name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every week. You know, I've always got you guys covered. Everything money. Like I always say on this channel, money is actually everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, trust me, you will never be broke again. So let's just get right into today's business. So come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Just so you know, here are some of the questions that you should expect while you're filling in the application. Number 1, why did you become a business owner, a small business owner? Yes. What is your origin story? What's the origin story of your business? Try to be as specific as possible. And also, they will also ask you to please elaborate on how you intend to use this grant funding, as well as how does your business connect with and support your community, including yourself, and how many employees do you have? Besides this, here are even some tips that will help you to get grants. Number 1 is always look out for new grant options, and that's why I always implore that you turn on your notification bells for this channel, because I always share with you latest juicy grants on this channel. Make sure that the time that you spend is also worth the award. Make sure that you also read over the specific individual applications, instructions for each grant. Some are actually similar but feel are exactly the same, so make sure that you double check that you are eligible. Also provide specific numbers on how the grants will be used and how it will help. Do well to also double check your spellings and your grammar, and if you can, go ahead and submit your application early, because you may look more prepared than people who apply late. Also remember to always back up your claims with credible citations, and be realistic whenever you're mentioning your company's assets. Also be realistic whenever you're mentioning your company's assets, costs, and revenue. And just so you know, here is a brief overview about today's grant. It is called the Pollination Project, and this project actually exists to uplift grassroots change makers whose work helps to build a kinder, more compassionate world. Some ways that small business owners can use this fund for, you can use it to hire new employees, to cover day-to-day businesses, to upgrade your facilities, product development, to purchase inventory, to expand your retail partnership, to invest in marketing. They don't have narrowly defined criteria for projects that they fund. Preferably, they would want you to take the lead by yourself. So long as your work fits their general guidelines, their team will consider any effort that moves them towards a better world. Funding decisions are made on a rolling basis by 100+ volunteer grant advisors, which means that this video never expires. You can always reapply because it's a rolling grant. And most of their grant advisors have previously received seed funding projects. Now, the Pollination Project is actually honored to learn about your own projects and your vision, and they hope this is the beginning of a meaningful relationship with you. And it starts with the seed funding but expands as you connect and engage with their global community of 5,000+ change makers. And here is the category of people that they fund. Just so you know, they fund the individuals. informally organized groups and organizations, and formally registered or incorporated not-for-profit organizations based anywhere in the world. They make the application process open to as many people as much as possible. And that being said, they have a few guidelines that helps you to stay in alignment with their core values. Now, just so you know, they help to support early stage ideas. So if you have an idea, they can fund your business idea even if your business is not duly registered. Now, the annual budget for your group organization must be less than $50,000, and the total cost for the projects must be less than $10,000. They also fund practical dreamers. They look for evidence of, evidence that you have started some level of work on your project. They also fund new people and projects. So if anyone in your group organization has previously received funding from them for this project or any other work, they ask that you please leave the opportunity to apply for seed funding for other people rather than to reapply. Yes, because they want this money to go around. Similarly, if anyone in your group currently have a proposal actively under their review at the time, you may not apply for these grants. Now, as for grassroots volunteerism, your group or organization must not have paid staff. Your project shouldn't be designed to generate personal profit for you or anyone else. Please note, if you sometimes contract for web design, accounting, or other professional services, that is actually allowed. And if you do generate profit, it must be reinvested in a non-profit effort. As far as compassion, consciousness, they do not fund any person or organization carrying out work promoting or advocating for animal agriculture, even if that work is not part of your proposal or TPP. They also look at freedom of all kinds, including religious freedom. They cannot support projects or groups that seek to proselytize, evangelize, or require those served to participate in faith-based practices. As far as inclusion and equality, you or your group organization must not discriminate based on race, ethnicity, sexuality, gender, age, as well as faith. As far as legal compliance, legally they cannot support work that seeks to influence the outcome of elections for specific candidates, or work that induces or encourages violations of law or public policy, or work that causes improper private benefits to occur. Lastly, for you to receive a grant or for your group to receive a grant, your organization must be able to receive a wire transfer or PayPal payments in US dollars. To apply, head over to the link in my description and begin to apply for these grants as quickly as possible. As always, I have done all the homework for you. All you need to do right now is to head over to the link in my description and start to apply for these grants as quickly as possible. Go ahead and share this video with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Mariah has got you guys covered. As always, I will always do the research for you guys, so you can always count on this channel every single time. Tune into this channel every single day. Check out all my previous videos and start to apply for these amazing opportunities as quickly as possible. I can't wait to celebrate you guys. And if by virtue of watching this video, you win any grants on my channel by watching any of my videos, please send me a 1-minute video detailing how you found the grants by watching my video. Thank you all so much for watching all till the very end. And to all of my Patreon members, I want to say big thank you once again. You guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and your support, your massive support. Like I see every single one of you. God bless you. Yes, if you want to be part of my Patreon community, go ahead and find the link in the description as well as in the comments. When you join my Patreon community, do you know that you can book a free one-on-one consultation with me? And we can discuss all things money, grants, business, and everything in between. Guys, you have direct and full access to me as a Patreon member of this community. I remain your girl Miriam. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to do all those researches for you. Till I see you guys again in my next video, keep winning and keep sparkling.